Space, the final frontier. Experiments in space are helping fight infectious diseases here on Earth. They're not false teeth anymore, they're cosmetic dentures. And the power of prayer by physicians and their patients is helping people heal. I'm Peggy Flemming, and this is Inside Health. You've seen the headlines. Big blockbuster drugs are getting pulled from the market. It's shaken consumer confidence and has pharmaceutical companies and doctors looking for answers. Hello, I'm Peggy Flemming, your host of one of the most influential health shows in America, Inside Health. We'll have that story in a moment, but first, experiments in space are leading to new drug discoveries here on Earth. It's an exciting time at the Center for Biophysical Sciences and Engineering. Not only is there talk of exploration to Mars, but incredible drug discoveries are being uncovered thanks to their partnership with NASA.
In 1986, the Center for Biophysical Sciences and Engineering was formed as one of the NASA Research Partnership Centers. We were given the requirement by NASA that we should find technologies or develop technologies that can help NASA achieve its goals, but at the same time try to partner with industry to help us achieve those goals. And what we found is that by doing so, many of the technologies we've developed for a space environment have had dual use. They've had applications here on Earth that could help pharmaceutical companies and biotechnology companies.
The Center's history of pioneering new technologies, supporting drug discovery programs, has resulted in the development of pharmaceuticals for both preclinical and clinical trials to treat chronic and infectious diseases.
The primary mission of the Center for Biophysical Sciences and Engineering is to develop technologies that will help us continue to explore not only our own world, but other worlds, and also to develop technologies that will accelerate drug discovery.
Part of the drug discovery process involves identifying proteins that are key targets for diseases. One way to do that is by growing crystals. Through experiments in space, the center discovered a new way of doing that.
Space is a completely unique environment. The lack of gravity affects even how fluid flows in cells. As a result, we develop novel technologies. One of the technologies that we developed several years ago was a new way to grow crystals. That crystal can really accelerate drug discovery because from it you get the arrangement of all the atoms in the protein, the drug target, that makes up the crystal. Once you have that, scientists, chemists can develop a drug that fits into a pocket of the protein like a key going into a lock. And very specifically, it'll interact with that one protein and not other proteins in your body. This helps minimize side effects, and it helps develop a much more effective drug.
Just as the center is developing technologies with dual uses in space and here on Earth, it takes a duo of researchers and engineers to make it all happen.
Engineering plays such a key role in this center. I'm a scientist, a biochemist, and I come up with really nice ideas, but without that engineer next to me, it would remain an idea. They help implement that idea into a system, whether it's an automated robot or a visual analysis system. They help make the instrument that helps us achieve our goal. The engineers can watch what the scientists do and come up with a novel approach to do it better.
It's all about discovering new drugs and getting them into people earlier. The center, based at the University of Alabama in Birmingham, is funded through a collaborative effort that includes NASA.
The Center for Biophysical Sciences provides structural biology services at many different levels. We currently are funded by the National Institutes of Health, the Department of Defense, many not-for-profit organizations, as well as NASA.
Improving life through innovative science and engineering, the Center for Biophysical Sciences and Engineering. For more information, please visit their website at cbse.uab.edu. Pharmaceutical companies go through rigid approval